Great morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about orthographic projection, or you can say that multi-view, or you can say that different view for the given object by using glass box concept. So this is our three-dimensional object. Here I painted with some different colors so we can better visualize with various angle. So now I am going to put this three-dimensional object inside the glass box. So here is our object inside the glass box, so we can better visualize with various angle. So looking from the front direction, that is what called front view, or you can say that elevation, as you seen from the front direction. Looking from the top, that is what called top view, or you can say the plan. Looking from the side, either right or left, that is what called left hand side view and right hand side view. Looking from the bottom, that is what called bottom view, and the last one looking from the rear side, that is exactly opposite to the front view, that is what called rear view. So this is the 6 different view for the given object. So by using this glass box you can better visualize these 6 different view from various angle. So now we are going to draw various view from the different angle. So let me start to draw or trace out front view. So as you can see, this object from the front direction, that is what called front view, or you can say that elevation. So let me start to draw front view. First of all, draw horizontal line. This line may not be coincide with or actually on the border line of the object, as I am going to draw with approximately measurement, so you can understand. This is vertical line, this is horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line. So it just look like a L shape. As you see from the front direction, it look like L shape. So now here you can see this slope portion, that is shaded with yellow color, which is actually slope portion. But when we are looking from the front direction, that is seem to be like a rectangle shape. So here we are going to draw rectangle shape for the slope portion, as you can see from the front direction. So that is what called front view, or you can say that elevation. Now we are going to draw side view. So just rotate our box. So here I painted with black color to highlight side view of the object. So let me start to draw. Just draw a line on the border of the object. First rectangle box, second one triangle, third one triangle. So this is what called side view for the given object. Okay, let me start to draw plan. So for the plan, you have to see this object from the top direction, that is what called plan, or you can say the top view. So now we are going to trace out top view. Here I shaded with yellow color, so you can easily visualize top view. It just look like a terrace shape of the object. So first rectangle box. Again the second portion is slope, but when we are going to see this slope portion from the top direction, so it just look like rectangle shape, as you see from the top direction. And the third and last one, rectangle shape. So that is what called top view, or you can say that plan for the given object. So this is our elevation, this is our side view, and this is what our top view. Similarly, you can draw out or figure out this side view, rear view, as well as bottom view with same procedure. So hope it will be very useful to understand the concept of orthographic projection by using this glass box concept. So thank you for watching this video. Dhanyawad. Jai Hind.